They're off. Along the inside, Strictly Red with Prairie Nitro for the early lead. On the outside, coming away third as they look for position into the turn. 5-card Stud on the outside. Best Behavior, and around the turn they go. The early leader by 3/4 of a length as they go down to the quarter-mile mark is 5-card Stud. Racing up, Best Behavior, and now Best Behavior moves up to get the lead. 5-card Stud is second, racing in third position as they go to the 3/8 pole. That's Prairie Nitro racing in fourth. Strictly Red, Earthquake Jake is fifth. Racing in sixth as they go to the half-mile mark on the outside of horses. That's St. Eddie. The leader is Best Behavior. On the outside, 5-card Stud is second. They move off the half-mile marker. 58 4/5, and now getting the lead is 5-card Stud. Prairie Nitro moves up second. Best Behavior is third. On the outside, fourth to the 3/4, Strictly Red. Earthquake Jake moves up fifth along the rail sixth. That Skipper's Triple in seventh is St. Eddie. Racing in eighth round the turn to the 3/4, Historical Society. Trailing the field Coat and Tails. They go off the 3/4, 128 2/5. On the front end now, the leader is Prairie Nitro. That's Best Behavior closing ground with Earthquake Jake. On the front end, Earthquake Jake moves up with Best Behavior. On the far outside, that's St. Eddie. It's Earthquake Jake, Best Behavior, and St. Eddie.